Stop!
Pursuit X. It's not a game.
If you can flip it, flip it!
How do you steal a 75-ton excavator? Former waste facility worker Eddie Sanchez turned a quiet town into the set of a real-life action movie. In a wild turn of events, he managed to steal a gigantic excavator bucket, leaving police and locals in shock.
MPPA radio. An individual who's driving a four-wheeler tractor is not stopping for me. I have no way of stopping this vehicle. He's going to go out the main road.
Sanchez didn't just steal the excavator, he drove the massive machine straight into traffic on Jimmy Carter Boulevard. Police moved in fast, but Sanchez refused to stop. Instead, he pulled off wild turns and dangerous maneuvers, turning the streets into a demolition derby.
Keep me updated. I've got the sanitation truck, the large tractor, which is our best bet. A little bit slower, but he's behind us as well.
Hey, radio, we're in front of Victory World Church on Brook Hollow.
I left my Cal event for him.
Are you 10-3 for the vehicle, Corley? Center and Oprah.
10-3.
The chaos reached a whole new level. Police launched a counterattack using another excavator and a garbage truck. The wild chase stretched for miles and ended on Singleton Road, where officers finally tipped the stolen machine over. Eddie Sanchez, 38, was taken into custody and now faces a mountain of charges.
If you can flip it, flip it!
All units 1039.
Pure chaos at a traffic light. A man suddenly charges at an excavator ramp. The machine snaps. What follows is total madness. The excavator starts chasing everyone at the intersection in a bizarre rampage. Even police officers and civilians get caught up in the wild scene. So far, no clear information has emerged about what triggered the event. The madness wasn't over yet. After a brief pause, the excavator returned to the intersection and started chasing vehicles all over again. The rampage looked completely aimless, leaving everyone stunned and scrambling for safety. What was the driver thinking? No one knows. After wreaking havoc and breaking multiple laws, the driver tries to make a run for it, but it's too late. As seen in the footage, authorities quickly move in and bring the wild rampage to an end. The suspect is neutralized on the spot.
CMP stated BC Integrated Collision Analysis and Reconstruction Service will be investigating.
An unbelievable chase unfolded in British Columbia. A tractor stormed down 176th Street and didn't stop there. It charged across the Highway 1 bridge with 3 police cruisers in hot pursuit. The slowest getaway vehicle just turned into the wildest ride.
Following the tractor, and one of the police
The chase ended dramatically as the tractor collided with a BC Highway patrol vehicle on the ramp toward Vancouver, flipping over in the process. Witnesses confirmed a flag on the back of the tractor reading Stop Sogi. That same day, a convoy protest against the Sogi 123 program was planned from Chilliwack to Vancouver. Was this wild escape part of something bigger? A small town turned into an action movie set. When 45-year-old Alan Porer crashed a tractor into a vehicle, police moved to arrest him, but he took off instead. In a shocking twist, Porer dragged an officer behind the tractor during his escape. The wild chase lasted nearly an hour and ended in a field, where a special off-road unit finally stopped the tractor. Porer was violently pulled from the vehicle and arrested. The injured officer suffered a shoulder injury, and Porer now faces serious charges for assaulting a police officer.
Dragged behind that tractor, said he injured his shoulder.
Unbelievable police cam footage captures a wild chase through Miami. Zachary Henry, who had an outstanding arrest warrant, took an unexpected route to escape officers arriving at his home. What happened next turned into a full-throttle pursuit unlike anything you've seen.
Alright, what's he doing?
We're working.
What's he doing right now?
It's in the bobcat.
What did he tell you to do?
What?
What did he tell you to do?
He told me to pursue traffic.
Okay. He's got a warrant, that's why he's playing that. You're good, you're good.
I'm saying he did, but at this point, like, if he's trying to get you involved in it, it's not worth it because you'll get charged too. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're just here to talk Zach. We know that's Zach. Alright.
Zachary Henry was working in his yard with a mini excavator when he spotted police approaching, and that's when the madness began. Instead of surrendering, he slammed the controls and took off in the slow but determined machine, launching one of the most outrageous chases Miami has ever witnessed.
Dad, shut it off! Shut it off! it now!
Ing Palizes klettert in das Fahrzeug an Versucht in aufzuhalten, aber Henry hab den Palizesten in die Luft an Sties in dan Zuboden. Henry setzt die Seine Flucht fort an Verschwan für ein while in den Wildern.
About a minute away.
Two, he's continuing east through a field to try to hit him with skid steer. Motherfucker. Just turn this into a felony. So any units coming, have them head up to Old Ston 55 area. It's a white skid steer, orange letter in the back. Go.
He's in a tree just off 55. He's not in the skid steer anymore. Or when you're clear,
Stop.
in that tree. No longer in that vehicle.
Officers spotted the excavator again, this time abandoned in a creek. They rushed toward it, but Zachary Henry had vanished without a trace. The bizarre chase took another twist as police searched the area, unsure where the fugitive could have gone next.
What he looks like? It's a white, long beard, white male.
Jack Henry?
Yeah. Hey, we got felony charges on him. I lost him. We just found the skid steer.
guys looking for somebody?
Yeah, a guy running on foot around here.
What do you look like?
Long beard, white male. All right.
I'm 321 680.
Okay, yeah, he just hit me with the skid steer, so.
Long beard, white male?
Yep, long beard. Do what?
How old?
Say like 35.
I'll look down.
All right, thanks. Now.
Unit 55, check out.
1 and 10. That's me. You're all right.
I sent you a property or citizen vehicle.
Two to any county units in need. If someone could swing back to the original property, he could have doubled back there.
Put me out of 611 West North, 212, please.
What's the middle wear?
See what? Brown sweatshirt, long or brownish beard.
Police searched the entire area for Henry, but couldn't locate him. Despite his disappearance, charges were filed: assault on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest. The bizarre excavator getaway may be over, but the manhunt is far from done.
He was coming through this field after hitting me with the skid steer, so he might have went back, but it looks like there's footprints here.
Me and Chief said it too, will be out at 402 Broadway.
402 Broadway, thanks.